Okay, welcome back to another episode of Jordan's Garage. Going to be working a little bit more on the race truck in this video. Got a couple things to do. Going to do a new steering shaft. The one, it's probably factory. It's pretty rusty. The rubber is pretty worn out and sketchy, so I'm going to get rid of that. While I'm working on that side of the engine, also going to be doing a new intake manifold. This is a Crazy Carl's intake manifold. It's all 304 polished stainless. The one I have on there is aluminum eBay special. Nothing really wrong with it, it's just not as pretty. And then also got some new battery cables. Truck needs new battery cables pretty badly. That was embarrassing. Truck needs new battery cables pretty badly. These some ricers around here that I don't know. So yeah, new positive, new ground, and new alternator wire. So get all that done in this video probably. I also think I sourced a front bumper. I think it's an old Street Scene fiberglass bumper cover actually, which is pretty awesome. Extremely hard to find, and it's red. So I think I'm gonna pick that up this weekend, hopefully. And that'll be awesome. Also, something I want to mention in this video, just in case, not everybody knows, obviously just the people close to me know this truck and know my goals and all that. So this, while it is a devoted race truck, gotta remember, this is really nothing special. It is 560 horsepower, chopped up about 1,000 pounds lighter than stock, with the simple goal of going 770. It weighed 6,900 pounds four-wheel drive, bone stock, and it ran 8.3s, 8.4s. I cut all the weight out of it, or not all the weight out of it. I cut some weight out of it, roughly 1,000 pounds, and didn't touch the fuel or the air at all. And it now runs 780s. So I sprayed it to 770 last year, just at one event. I don't want to continue to spray it. That's inconsistent. I need it to do 770 on fuel, and I really don't want to change the injectors. I changed the turbo, which, we think we gained a little bit there. So I don't want to do too much rambling here. I'm going to set up another time lapse a little closer so it's not so far away. I realize that when the time lapses are far away, there's really, you can't even see what's going on really. So, yeah, we'll just kind of go along, probably take everything apart. Battery cables will be first, or the steering shaft, one of those two. Those will be the more difficult things to do, and then throw on this new intake manifold, do a little bit more cleaning, and yeah, that'll be about it. Okay, it's another day. Just got back from a 3-hour journey, about an hour and a half one way, to go pick up a fiberglass second gen front bumper cover. So I do believe this to be a Street Scene bumper, which, if any of you know, they haven't made those in a long time. I think they used to be like $400 or so from Street Scene back in the day. I don't know when back in the day really was, but it's been a while. So been looking for a lightweight option to get rid of the stocker there. I'm getting ready to take it off now and weigh it because I'm curious. And as far as this goes, just need to get some mounts made for it. There's a guy that I've been talking to who's supposedly making second gen like quick release style front bumper mounts. So You know, gonna see if I can just go that route first. I'm not a fabricator. So, but if we gotta make them, we'll get them made. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, update. Got almost pretty much everything that I want done. Battery cables, new terminals, brand new cables. All that's done. Not the prettiest, okay? Got a lot of stuff going on these batteries. Ideally, at some point, maybe in the future, if this engine comes out and something else were to go in its place, we address that. New Crazy Carl intake manifold. Looks a lot better, stainless steel, compared to that eBay special aluminum one I had. Still got to hook up my Nitrous solenoid over here and how I like it. And yeah, pretty much it. So I'm going to probably start it up here. Just make sure I got all my electrical connections correct. Double check that my starter wire's tight, because I can't remember if I got that tight yet or not. Okay, pretty much buttoned up again. Ready for the next set of things. Now I'm kind of running out of the little miscellaneous parts that I had accumulated over the winter for this truck. Got a whole lot done the past couple weeks. As you can see, got this front bumper off. Not sure exactly when I'll be getting the fiberglass unit installed, but first thing we're gonna do is clean up more of this garbage undercoating that has plagued me. More of this garbage undercoating that has plagued me throughout the whole time of owning this truck and working on it and getting filthy. The intercooler is really nasty. I'm thinking that I want to take all this apart, pull the intercooler off, and just clean the crap out of it. Try to get all that gunk out, wire wheel it, sand it. I don't know if I want to try to polish the tanks. Doubtful. Probably just paint it black, put it back on. Still need to probably get a new radiator, since this one has a really, really small leak. I would hate for that leak to grow when I'm, you know, at the racetrack, in a position where I can't really fix it. So, a couple more things that we will be doing here soon. So, gutting this interior a little bit more. Obviously get this passenger seat out, take the driver's seat out too, get this carpet out. I'm gonna rip the whole carpet up, and then kind of, put the driver's seat back, and I try to take this dash apart. As you can see, it's a pretty decent dash. I've already taken out a couple components. The outside looks pretty good. There's a whole lot of the structure on the inside is pretty brittle. Like, a lot of what holds this stuff in here is really brittle. I want to try to pull out, the pretty much all the HVAC stuff out of here, basically to where it's just a shell. Pull the airbags out. We have a NRG steering wheel, quick release steering wheel to put in. So that'll be a whole thing. So yeah, got some work to do inside of here yet. I thought about gutting these doors. You can see I kind of put a Sharpie around where I thought I could cut out. I don't know yet. I don't know how far I want to go with that. So if you've gotten this far in this video, thank you very much for watching this one. Kind of boring, I know. I hope that as I get better with YouTube and with editing and with just content, that I can make some more interesting videos. But yeah, subscribe, like the video if you can. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, I'm just trying to grow this thing. I'm having a lot of fun doing this YouTube thing. It was a kind of a big leap to put myself out there like that, but we're having fun. I can't wait to document going to the first race, and we got some testing tunes coming up soon that I'm excited for. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. So yeah, thanks for watching.